Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the course of Diploma in Tourism Studies. This is the mode which is open distance learning. Open distance learning means that you can do your study at your home and you need to go for exams at exam centers. Now the school is this comes under the School of Tourism and Hospitality Service Management. Duration is 1 year. This course is available in both languages, English and Hindi. Specialization in tourism studies, and this program is aimed at familiarizing you with the varied aspects of tourism, creating awareness about tourism, impacting basic training, organizing tourism services, and opening career opportunities. Eligibility is 12th plus and equivalent. Fee structures are only 4,500 rupees and full program registration fees is 300 rupees. Program coordinator number is also given here. And here are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total are 9 papers and each paper has 8 and 4 credits. After completing the course, you will get 36 credits. Here are the regional centers also given us, and here you can do this course. And if you have other queries, accept these information, so you can contact us anytime on our WhatsApp number. We take a minimal fee for this consultation as a consultation, so you can contact us anytime. So we will provide all the information on our WhatsApp or phone call. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.